Okay, my people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's learn computer together. Let's learn computer together. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can make your Fiverr gig to rank to the first page. A lot of people have been asking me that let's learn computer together. How can I make my Fiverr gig to rank to the first page? A lot of people have been struggling to make their Fiverr gig to rank to the first page. No matter what the gig that you're selling, no matter what the niche that you are rendering, you can make your Fiverr gig to rank to the first page. I've been a freelancer for more than 5 years now, and whatever the gig I create, it rank to the first page because I follow the trick, I follow the simple step on how you can make your Fiverr gig to rank to the first page. Now, before we get started, please do to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Please, this is the only way you can help us to grow more, to make to make sure that our video is more uh, on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. All right, let's get started. The first thing I would like to tell you is that Fiverr's is a freelancing space and is a market space where a lot of competitors, a lot of professionals, are being on the market space and selling, rendering their services and selling their gigs. You understand? Rendering their services, selling their gigs. Most especially those people that are web designers, people that are graphic designers. A lot of people, a lot of you know um niche has been very tedious for people to get ranked on the first page. And before you can be ranked to the first page, a lot of things that you need to put in place. You understand? But I'm going to show you a simple step on how you can make your Fiverr gig to rank to the first page. Number first one we have to do is that um you've prepared your let me say you've prepared your images that you're going to use, like this. Now let me show you this. Now I'm coming. Now let me open this. For instance, this is my gig image I want to use for the privacy and policy. You understand? For the privacy and policy. Let's assume I want to use this now for the privacy and policy. Now, some people don't know that your gig image, like your gig title, you have to copy your gig title. The gig title you use must be edited on your what? On your gig image. Like for instance, now this is what I use: legal agreements, terms and conditions, cookies and privacy policy, and all that. You can see that I use this to save my gig image, so that because Fiverr always understand, especially they are crawling, it is going to crawl it together and make your Fiverr gig to rank. That's the first thing you need to do. Your gig title will be what? Will be used to replace your what? Your to rename your gig image. Use your gig title to rename your gig image. That is the first things you have to do. Then the second thing is the picture that you're going to use needed to what? To also edited. You need to use the same gig title to rename your profile picture that you want to use on your Fiverr gig. That's the second thing. That's the second thing. Like this one now, you need to just copy this one. Let me just copy it like this. Like copy it like this. Now I'm copy. Sorry, I cut. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm gonna go here now, and then I'm gonna put it there and say paste. And now yeah, this is what I want. Yeah. Now the both of them has been copied together. These are the things that the first one I said, don't forget the first one I said, that your gig image, you copy your gig title to edit your gig image. Copy your gig title to edit your gig image. The same thing you have to do with your profile that you're uploading to your Fiverr profile. You understand? Now, another thing is on your descriptions. Let me log into one Fiverr because I have multiple Fiverr accounts. You understand? Okay, let me log into this banner brand. Yeah, I just created this one today. Like now I created it now, and it's on the space of the Fiverr already. Okay, now this is the banner brand. Okay, this is the banner brand, and banner brands. Okay. Let me switch to selling. Your gig is going to rank to first page. You just need to follow this the simple step on how you can make an SEO. For instance, now when they search about your gig on the Google, like somebody is searching for particular niche that perhaps you want to do a web designing now, you now search, I want to do a website. I'm telling you, it's going to pop up your own Fiverr gig title, and it's going to pop up your what, the same title that you use for the image, the same title that you use for your picture, the same title that you use on your own title. That is going to pop up on the uh, on the Google, and this will make your impression to increase, and it will make your what, your clicks to be more increased, and to make you to get more clients and people to order you even outside of the Fiverr. Yes, this has been working for a lot of people that have watched this video. It has been working for a lot of people because this is just a rebranding of the video, because I did it a couple of years ago and it has worked for a lot of people. It just, a WhatsApp tutorial that time, and I just gather people together and tell them about the scope they can use to make their Fiverr to rank on the first page. Nowadays Fiverr is a kind of tedious for people, and a lot of people have been stuck for this because of competitors. A lot of competitors are out there on the Fiverr, and you can see this is just the image. That's just the image. Yeah, this is the Fiverr image gig, showing you the simple picture. You're seeing on the title. Let's we jump to analyze this for you so that you can understand what I mean by this. Okay, so just chill. This is a very simple step that will make your Fiverr gig to rank. What are you selling out there? Are you a web designer? Are you a WordPress developer? Or are you a graphic designer? Whatever you're selling, your gig is going to rank. Yeah, it's going to rank. It's going to rank. What is happening to my service here? What is happening? Yeah, it's loading now. Load. Now you can see this is the type of the gig, and if we do I will do logo complete branding identity for so. You understand this address now? You just need to copy them and use it to rename the picture here on your PC, on your computer. You understand? Use it to rename your okay, let me do one. Let me do one now. Let me uh, open in another link. Open in another tab here. Okay, let me go to edit. Edit now. Edit now. Text is okay. Let me go to edit. Yeah, edit. This page now. And let's see. Now, see the link here. See the link. Just the link. Copy the link like this. Copy. Then to your PC. Go to your PC. What is the where is that okay, I'm coming. Go to where you can locate the picture that you are using. The picture that you are using. I'm just using this as an example. It has worked for me. It has worked for me. Now you can see here. You can see here that's been copied there, and it's been used for the images. You can see that it has been used for images. Now I use the same title gig like on the Fiverr link, and I copy it here, and you can see it here, and the same thing applicable to the picture I used on each of them, and the same thing applicable to these as well, and it's applicable to all the images that I used on my Fiverr gig images. You understand? And another thing is another thing is I want you to understand now is on the descriptions. Please follow this tutorial. You have to watch it to the end. You have to watch it to the end. Another thing is okay, right. Now another thing is let's go to the descriptions. Why the service is the what the fuck service is this? Yeah, yeah, you can see now that I will do a logo complete identity, and this site guide kit. You can see now to the descriptions. Now, what I'm doing now is this to description now. Like I want to descriptions now. Okay, all right. Let's wait for the service. I don't know what is happening to my site. Back from my say, what's happening? What is happening? What is happening? Why are you slow like this? Slow. Okay, now it's loading. It's loading now. This. Why service like this? I say now you can show inscription. Let me describe. You get the description. I highlight some parts here like compressive lines, and I show you and that understand. And some of those gig titles I highlight them. Let me show like let me see personal down 5 year ago branding identity gets logo and identity design. I'm gonna highlight them now. This and I'm gonna come here and click. I'm gonna come. People will see yeah, it's like this and brand and guide them as well. We make the SEO to make SEO to be ranked. We make SEO ranked as well on the last. And then I'll review. It will help you to the first page. This is not joke. It's joke. It is I've tested it and it works for me. And it I know it's work for you as well. It's good for you. Think that that's you've done. You doing that you should write something is you have to allow the same get to that you and make some writing on your description so that these are Fiverr to and make it to us pay. I'll see you to society and in the next tutorial. Bye.